Hello, Miss Woods class. This is Mr. Taylor. As you may or may not know, I will be teaching your class for the next several weeks. Class will consist of watching a video of me teaching my classes. So you will watch the video and follow along, and when I ask you to open up assignments, those assignments will be in Classroom for your period, and you will open those up and do those while the video is running, as if you were in my class with my students. And I'm hoping to make the instructions clear enough that it works well for you. If there's something you don't quite understand, pause it and watch that section again. Each of you will be watching from your own computer, watching the recording and doing the assignments from your own device. So I expect it should go pretty well. We'll do this till Miss Wood gets back. And just make sure you're working hard and doing what I ask in the assignments, and there will never be homework. So be good for the sub, and I think it should go well for us. I'll be setting up a few short little 2-3 minute instructional videos on how to do some of the different things that we'll be doing. And that way you know what's expected when you open certain documents and what you're supposed to do on those documents. So anyway, looking forward to working with you. Stop by and say hi.